So the universe boss Chris Gayle answered many legitimate questions about his international future with his swashbuckling 67 runs from 38 deliveries in his series clinching win in the third T20 against Australia. And some of the genuine and legitimate questions that were being asked of the veteran batsman at 41 going on to 42. Can he still cope with the physical dangers of facing top quality and aggressive fast bowling at the top of the batting order? Does he still possess the hand-eye coordination and power to be effective at this level? Does it make any sense for Chris Gayle to be changing his game at this late stage by being more cautious and conservative? Can Chris Gayle still command a place in the current West Indies team based on his form? All reasonable and genuine questions and concerns. Well, the universe boss answered almost all of these questions and more with that one-off innings. The only outstanding question now must be, can Gayle produce this kind of performance with some level of consistency? And how long must we wait for another big Chris Gayle performance? Now, those questions of consistency can only be answered by the universe boss himself over time. Guess what? We don't have much time to wait. Yes, we don't have much time. We don't have much time, universe boss.